Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that is the exact same size of a myna. The Indian blackbird. The Indian blackbird is a member of the thrush family. Dark thrush with a bright orange bill. It was formerly considered a subspecies of the common blackbird. It is found only in India and Sri Lanka. Male is slightly darker than the female. Sri Lanka birds being midnight black and Central India black-capped, birds being brown with a black head and wings. Note the small teardrop-shaped patch on the bar orange skin around the eye. Beautifully fluting song often heard from foothill forest, forest edge and orchards. Winters at lower altitudes, often in closer proximity to people. Their calls are like locally named Yurasiya Kalu Bimsariya. I have not seen the Indian blackbird. One such place you can see them is Horton Plains National Park. Horton Plains National Park is a 9-kilometer trek through a high hill forest and plains. These are some of our pictures of our trip to Horton Plains National Park. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the brown-headed barbet.